Alright guys, I got cut off from my other video, so this is the second video that you should be watching on Wednesday to finish up decimals. So in this section 3-5, you can use a calculator. Yay! So we're going to solve just the two with stars here. So we have 7.7 times j. So if we want to solve this equation and do the inverse, we would divide by 7.7. And we do this on both sides to balance it. But no math is done on this left side. It's just over here. Then you pick up your calculator and you do 76.23 divided by 7.7. So you get 9.9. J equals 9.9. Okay, next section, this is division. E divided by 7.4. If I want to undo this equation and do the inverse instead of dividing, I would multiply by 7.4. And I do that to both sides to balance it. No math is done on the left here. I'm just canceling out. And E is alone and isolated. And then I just pick up my calculator and do 6.9 times 7.4. And I get 51.06. So key idea here is the inverse, and you can use a calculator. All right, so this is the end of day 1. This is what I want you to do for your homework. For section 3-1, I want you to pick 2 more problems to do. So for section 3-1, pick 2 more to do. For section 3-2, I want you to do the word problem and then pick 1 more. Pick 1 more problem. So you're doing 2 problems here. You're doing the word problem and then one of the ones we haven't done so far. Okay. In section 3-3, I want you to pick 2 more. Pick 2 problems that we haven't done together and do those. For section 3-4, pick 1 more. Do 1 more division. For section 3-4, pick 1 more to do. For section 3-5, I want you to do this one, and this one. Use a calculator. Okay, that's it.